What is going on YouTube? It's Sankey and we're back with another one. Alright, so we finished off another strong day in the markets, and you guys know we're looking to continue that momentum, not just for this week, but for the rest of the year. That being said, I've got a couple of plays that I want to put on your radar. They're in their buy zone right now, and if you guys are willing to wait for the catalyst to come along, I do think they're going to finish off the year strong and do great things for your portfolios. And you guys know we're bringing out the charts in this video and for the rest of the month, so I've got a jam-packed one for you, so make sure you stick this one all the way through with me. Now, before I get to it, I'm going to need you guys to hit that like button for me, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Join the journey. Now, before I get to the new play that we've added to the portfolio, let's touch on one of our existing ones. Up on screen we have HYRE, that's ticker symbol HYRE. Now this is one of the plays that brought your attention over the last week. HYRE, they're a car sharing platform. They allow you to list a car and allow others to drive the cars for purposes such as Uber and Lyft, for food deliveries and for leisure rentals. So if we take a look at the chart, we can see that they've come down from their high of over $15 last week, and they're now sitting at $11.33. You guys know I always say the best time to buy these plays is on red days. That's how we can maximize our returns. Now let me remind you guys why we like this play. Remember, they've gone ahead and partnered with a couple of companies, one being Ameridrive, one being Cogent, to help fund and scale their business. They're looking to add around 6,000 vehicles to their existing 3,000, and this is going to give a big push to those revenue numbers. There's estimates come out that they expect those revenues to jump year on year 80%, and if they do, we're going to see a big push in that share price also. That's exactly what we want as investors. Now guys, this is a classic case of buying the dip. I want you guys to get comfortable buying the dips on the quality plays within your portfolios, because when they rebound, they're going to do great things for your returns. Now, I want to show you guys a couple of plays that we bought the dips into recently, just to show you guys how quickly those plays have rebounded. Alright guys, so up on screen is HYRE. This is one of our channel plays that we bought the dip in. Now, you can see that they dipped down to the low 200s at the end of January. It's only taken them 2 weeks to rebound strong, and now they're sitting at $287. The next one I want to show you is Roku. Again, one of our channel plays. End of January, dipped down to the high 300s. We bought in, loaded up at that point. It's only taken about 2 weeks. They've rebounded strong. Now they're onwards and upwards to that $500 mark. Another one to show you guys is Marathon. End of January, sitting at $17. Rebounded strong. We bought in at the dip, and now they're sitting at $37 strong. Now guys, what do Roku, HYRE, Marathon and HYRE all have in common? That is that they have great growth potential. They've all invested heavily into their business, and they're expecting some great numbers by the end of the year. That is why we're going to see a strong rebound in that higher share price. So hopefully that's given you guys some confidence and awareness in the buy and the dip strategy. Now, also want to put on your radar that they've gone ahead and done a stock offering of $25 million and had the price set at $11.75. We know that stock offerings have the short-term effect of pulling that stock price down. We've seen it many times before with NIO, with Tesla, with BNGO, many plays come down in the short term before having a strong rebound. And I do think we're going to see that same share price movement with our HYRE play. Up next, that's Golden Nugget, ticker symbol GNOG. This is the online gambling play. Now guys, some plays just take a little bit longer to rise than others, but they're showing some good positive business momentum. Yesterday, they've come out with preliminary earnings, and they've come in at 90 million versus 55 million the year before. So the growth in this play is undeniably fast, and this excludes Michigan. We know that Michigan is going to be a big revenue driver for this business going forward. Michigan only launched on the 22nd of January. But they've come out and said that Michigan is taking around $2 million per day in casino wagers. So that just puts it into perspective how important Michigan is going to be for this company's revenue going forward. And that is going to act as a big catalyst to push that stock price higher. They've also gone ahead and hired a VP of corporate development to roll out Golden Nugget in various states. Again, I said the total addressable market for this play is large. There's a lot of revenue for them to capture. All we need to do is just be patient as investors. That rise is coming. Okay, so I'm going to bring to your attention a couple of our plays that we had to wait for. One was Corporate Universe. You guys know we're waiting patiently for this play, and over the last week up over 100%. Another one is Galaxy. Again, over 100% increase. So guys, the increase in Golden Nugget is going to come. All we have to do, just sit back, wait and be patient. Now this is the new addition that we've added to the portfolio. Up on screen we have TPG Pace, that's ticker symbol PACE. This is a SPAC that's merging with Nerdies, that's the online tutoring platform. Now guys, this is very much in sleep mode right now, very underappreciated by investors, not much share price action, but I want to make sure they're on your radar. I like them for a couple of reasons. One is they have a history of making acquisitions. You guys know I like businesses who do that, because it's a way of growing their business very fast, and they've got themselves 300 million to go out and make those acquisitions and fund their business. Also, financials come in strong, over 100 million in revenue last year, forecast to grow 30% this year. Now, I do think the extension of lockdown guidance is going to pay in their favor as there's more demand for that online tutoring service. So this is a play that I want you guys to keep on your radar. You guys know, as investors, we're trying to think ahead, position ourselves early into these plays before the run up. So catalysts that might come along could be some good financials, also any business update. They're quite loose on the PR. You guys know that we need the volume of PR to push that stock price up, but when it does come, you're going to see an increase in this stock. Alright guys, so it's our session on chart analysis, and today I'm going to be taking you through some chart patterns which you should be able to go and spot in our plays, which give off some buy and sell signals. So I'll be showing you guys 3 common chart patterns that you should be able to spot in our plays. The first is called the ascending triangle. So take note of the flat resistance line up top, and we've got the sloping upward support line. Remember, the resistance line is just a line that the stock struggles to break through, and then the support line is the line that the stock often bounces up from. Now, if you see this pattern, it's giving an indication that stock is about to break through its resistance line. As you can see, breaks through. Now you can use this as a buy indication. If you see the stock moving in this pattern, then it's an indication to buy that stock before it breaks through its resistance line and it's onwards and upwards. The second is called the descending triangle. So here, take note of that flat support line and that sloping downwards resistance line. And this is giving an indication, a signal that that stock might just break through a support line and be on a downwards trend. So you can use this as a signal to sell that stock before it breaks through its support line. Next up is the symmetrical triangle. So here, take note of the sloping upward support line and the sloping downwards resistance line, and this is giving a signal that that stock is about to break out either in a downwards motion or upwards, and it depends on the overall market trend. So if the overall market is going to go up, then this is giving a signal that that stock might just go up. So I want to show you guys the ascending triangle on one of our plays. This is Cresco Labs. This is a play that I put you guys on a couple of weeks back, performing well, and I do think they're going to have a very good year. So as you can see, we have our flat resistance line up top and we have our sloping upward support line. And remember, this is giving an indication that that stock might just break out in an upwards direction, and it did just that. And this gives you a signal, a buy signal. So if you spotted that in this play, you could have bought in at this period of time before that stock price increased. Alright guys, you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time it is. This comment comes from Dylan. He says, KWBT caught at 3 cent strike price when it dipped. I'm up 120%. Thank you for putting it on my radar. This is great to hear, and I'm happy for your success. I'm right there with you, Dylan. We are up 120% on this play. Now you guys know that KWBT, that's one of our channel penny stock plays that I've been putting on your radar. You know they're undervalued and set for a rise. Now you guys know what this channel is all about, hitting success and building wealth in the stock market in the most simplified way. So I want to hear from you guys down in the comment section below if you've been hitting success with our channel plays, so we can celebrate down there together. And I look forward to supporting you all on your journey in the stock market this year. Alright guys, so that wraps things up. Do hit that like button for me, it really helps the channel out. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button, join the journey. Also check out the link down below to the Patreon, where you get access to the Discord, and you can join our investment team over there and enter into some additional plays with us. So as I always say, stock market is rapidly moving. Check into the channel each and every day so you never miss a beat, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.